Hi my friends, come let me show you how I made mozzarella cheese from my kitchen. Super easy. Come, let's go. So I poured 2 liters of homogenized milk into the pot, and the heat level is between low to medium. So the whole idea is to heat up the milk to about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 220, so about 50 to 60 degrees centigrade, about that. So if you have a thermometer to measure it, that would be great. But I kind of used my skin because I know that 100 degree Fahrenheit is not that hot to peel the skin. I kind of have an idea, so yeah. But then if you have a thermometer, that would be great. That would even be the best. So while you're heating the milk, you're turning it continuously. So we keep turning. So you can see me dipping my finger inside to kind of gauge the heat. The heat should be able to kind of pinch your skin, but is a bearable one. So about that kind of heat level. And you're stirring each time. So I checked again with my skin. So at this time, it got to the heat level approximately. So you're going to add 5 tablespoonfuls of vinegar. If you have lime or lemon, the same quantity, 5 tablespoonfuls. Okay? And why are we adding either vinegar or lime? This is what we're looking for. We want it to curdle. You know how if you have ever experienced your homogenized milk getting spoiled or expired, or maybe you forgot to put it inside the fridge, you will see it have this kind of separation. That's exactly what we're looking for when we are adding the vinegar or the lime. As soon as you achieve this, just put up the heat. So right now, the heat is off. And then just cover the pot and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes ish. Then after that, the next stage is to filter out, to separate the whey. The whey is the liquid, and then this is the cheese we're looking for, okay? The solid part. Cheese is very expensive in the grocery store, and I'm a lover of cheese. I use cheese for different kinds of menu. My family loves it and it is healthy, but it's so expensive. So sharing this knowledge with you guys is one of my favorite things I am doing right now, because I was super excited when I also learned it. So I thought I'd share. So as soon as I put it into my cheesecloth, what I'm doing here, I am squeezing out as much whey as possible. So I'm squeezing out the liquid in order to get the solidified part as dry as possible. So that's what I'm doing. So squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And that's it. So now I am trying to bring out the solid part. So yeah, you see this kind of squishy and some kind of has some kind of texture. So we now put it into the microwave to heat for like 30 seconds. So now it is out of the microwave. So you try to stretch it, knead it together, just kind of mix. It's kind of, at this time, the texture is different, so you can feel it. So you stretch, you knead, you do all sorts and bring it into a big bowl. Okay? Yeah. So I've done all that, and you want to put it, so I'll put it in a cold water. This is the fun part. So you add salt, so that your cheese will kind of have some taste, okay? Yeah. And that's it. So we'll leave it in the cold water for another 15 minutes ish. And that's it. So we stopped the cooling process, and now it is even firmer and stronger. And our mozzarella cheese is ready. Yeah, easy peasy, guys. Easy peasy. So this is what 2 liters of homogenized milk gave us. That's the quantity of cheese he gave to us. And that's it. So use this cheese for any cheese menu that you want to prepare. Pizza, whatever. Your mac and cheese, or pasta, or whatever you want to cook that has cheese as part of the menu, okay? Sometimes I use it to cook beans porridge. I add cheese to it, yes. I love cheese. And that's it. Okay, so my mozzarella cheese is ready. Easy peasy, just the way you saw me do it. This is my first time of doing mozzarella cheese by myself. Yeah, I watched the video and it was super easy, and I was like, what? And mozzarella cheese is so expensive in the grocery store. And I'm like, you know what? I am going to activate my DIY skills. And guess what? I'm so proud of myself that I came out with this. Now, let's test it. What? We've been spending so much money buying. What? So delicious, guys. Super easy. Mozzarella cheese is so expensive in the grocery store. So if you find this video very helpful, kindly share, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and get into your kitchen, buy yourself a gallon of milk, and do your mozzarella cheese by yourself. Okay, until I see you in another video, stay blessed, eat healthy, because your health is your wealth, and your body is what you feed it. Bye-bye. I'm so proud of myself.